please go to Google and type this, Swishy AI, just like this, okay? Go to this first result, swish.ai, and you're gonna be able to find this page. Review the upper right corner of your screen, click on the Get Started button so you can create your account, okay? After this made, so you can create your account. After this made, you're gonna be able to create amazing motion effects. Imagine the following scenario. For example, you would like to create some watch effect, just like this. You can go from start time to end time, review the left sidebar of menus. In order to place, you can change the fonts in the case that you want. You can change the colors, the scale. You can rotate, maybe useful for you. You can change the animation speed to make it slower or faster. You can change the blur animation if you want to, and the opacity, and even the duration. After this made, you have this effect, and you can review the upper right corner of your screen, hit the export settings, and you can download this as a GIF or as MP4 with a good quality. Click on export, and you are good to go. You have this animation ready to use on your designs, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, on your video editing options. Then let me go back for more effects. You can create some animation or use these pre-built ones. There is amazing animations. For example, let me show you one that I really enjoy. I think it's very useful. That is the logo animation, or maybe the message animation. This one. This is excellent for Instagram. You can upload your photo. Let me use the Visualmodo one. You can change the font, you can change the profile name, the posts, the followers, the following, the bio, and the other options. After having the design in the way that you need, you can also export it. And you can apply this on your layouts in the case that you want. Simple, right? And a very good animation that you can play with. People are asking for money to share this kind of tools for you, but I share it for free. As a result, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. After, go to the platform and let me know if you like it. I'm gonna try to leave a link in the description below and into the first comment of this video as well. See you guys tomorrow. All the best!